The windshield wipers on a car are essential for safety because they keep visibility by removing rain and other debris, but occasionally wipers will break down and get stuck in the upright position or mid-sweep. This frequent problem is not only annoying but also harmful and distracting. Find out why windshield wipers don't return to rest properly and how to fix each reason. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Obstruction within wiper sweep. A vehicle's wiper arms may occasionally become tangled up during their normal sweep. This mostly happens when ice, snow, or sleet accumulate on a windshield. When this happens, the wiper arm in question encounters this obstruction and is unable to continue sweeping. Consequently, the park or rest position is not attained. These kinds of problems are fixed by removing the underlying obstruction from a windshield. Usually, this entails removing ice from a car's windshield to release the stuck wiper arm. Damage or binding wiper transmission. Through a network of connections, the wiper transmission in a car transfers the rotational output of the auxiliary motor to the corresponding wiper arms. Consequently, this results in the intended sweeping of both wiper arms on a vehicle and synchronization of their movements. But as we age, this linkage may bind and wear, locking the wiper transmission in place. In most cases, a wiper transmission that is damaged or excessively worn out needs to be replaced. In some circumstances, it might make the most sense to replace the wiper motor as well. Nevertheless, because each component is designed as a whole, there are other circumstances where this replacement is necessary. Weak wiper motor. The wiper motor on a car can wear out over time, just like any other motor. When this happens, a motor frequently becomes so weak that it cannot cycle even in the presence of very little resistance. When using the wipers on a dry or semi-dry windshield, this is easiest to see. In situations like these, a car's wipers frequently drag or function slowly. In extreme circumstances, this may even happen in addition to a damp windshield, frequently stopping a car's wipers from running the whole distance. The wiper motor on a car must be replaced when it starts to deteriorate with age. This may also require replacing the wiper transmission in some circumstances. However, a lot depends on how precisely the wiper and transmission arrangement is designed for a given car. Incorrectly installed wiper arms. Wiper misalignment may be the cause if you recently replaced the wiper motor or transmission in your car and now your wipers won't go back to the park position. When making such repairs, it is quite possible to reinstall your wiper arms at the wrong angle. As a result, once your wiper motor is in the park position, it no longer stops at the base of your windshield. Resetting the device is a simple way to fix this condition. The process itself only takes a few minutes to finish, and simple hand tools can make it easier. Is it safe to drive with stuck windshield wipers? Driving with malfunctioning windshield wipers, whether they are stuck or don't turn off, is never deemed safe. As was already mentioned, the purpose of a car's windshield wipers is to increase driver safety by offering the best visibility possible, even in less than ideal weather. When wipers are used properly, they remove rain from a car's windshield, reducing unneeded distractions. In a severe downpour, a malfunctioning windshield wiper could easily force you off the road. Even worse, trying to drive through a lot of rain without using your car's wipers can quickly result in an accident. Consequently, there is a significant chance of harm or even death. In any case, the earliest chance to address a problem relating to improper windshield wiper operation is to diagnose and fix it fully. This covers any problem that keeps the wipers on a car from going back to the rest or park position. Schedule an appointment as soon as possible with a reputable service center if you are not comfortable handling these repairs yourself.